The greatest podcaster that ever existed or that ever will exist. Apex fucking sapien. Let's take this deep shit. Nigga, find a wife. I'm so tired, niggas. I'm so tired, niggas just telling me about, bro, you gotta go out there and play the field. You gotta go out there and get a rotation. Why do I want a rotation for? Like, listen, dating one girl is bad enough. Why the fuck would I multiply that by 3? That makes no sense whatsoever. I'm on the idea that you find yourself a woman who actually fucking likes you for you. You be unauthentically yourself to the maximum fucking degree. Crash out in front of her, and she still rock with you. Then there you go. You got yourself a wife. And one of the things that guys keep failing to understand is that women are tired. Women are tired of the pretenders. They're tired of guys pretending like they fucking are these cool Max and all these other bullshit. Dude, they just want a guy. They just want a man who's actually himself, who's happy being himself and happy and comfortable being himself. Whether you be a weirdo, an incel, whatever the fuck you're gonna be you. And this is what's so hard for guys to recognize. It's like they don't want to be themselves. There's so many guys, they try to hold up this like fake facade and image of somebody that's not even them. And it's like, why? Why are you doing all this extra work for what? Bro, fuck the red pill, fuck the blue pill, fuck the purple pill. Take the you pill. Be you. And I promise you, when you begin to act unauthentically you, you'll eventually start to develop yourself into a person that is worthy of a wife. And let me tell you something. Your wife will present herself to you. I almost guarantee you. Because here's the thing. You guys got to understand women. Women love relationships. Repeat this again. Women love relationships. Like, that is their whole fucking existence. They don't care about jobs. They don't care about any of that stuff. They care about their web and how they're perceived in their relationship. And the most important thing to a woman is her man. By far nothing. Like, that's her greatest fucking achievement. It's like, I got a good man. I got a man who's respectable. I got a man who's cherished, who's loved in the community, who's productive, constructive, handsome, in shape, and doesn't give a goddamn about what anybody thinks. That's her fucking pride and joy. But you as a guy, if you're not demonstrating the proper characteristics of being a husband, you're never going to find a wife. And more so, it's more about a wife finding you, to be honest with you. In this day and age, men who are actually worth the goddamn, that actually are husband material, actual like father material, they're so far and rare and in between. And because of that, women are on the hunt. So if a woman spots a man who's worth the goddamn, guarantee she's going to study you. She's going to sit back, she's going to watch, and she's going to see, what type of guy is this guy? What type of guy is this guy? And she's going to sit back and watch. And if you behave like yourself, if you never change up or switch up, and you maintain the same character that you always had in display, which is your inner man, that inner fucking being, that fucking real nigga in your gut, bro, she's going to fall in love. But most of you guys are trying to fake and pretend so you guys can have a rotation. Or you guys go out there on dates. Nigga, fuck a date. Fuck a date. Fuck a rotation. Get you a fucking real wife. And you know how you get a wife? By positioning yourself to be a husband. And how do you position yourself to be a husband? It starts up here. Determine some goals, some outcomes, some things you want to see and envision in your life. Because if a man doesn't know where he's going, he can't lead a wife. You can't lead children. You can't lead if you don't know where you're going. So establish your manhood and reestablish your manhood. By doing that and reestablishing your manhood over and over and over again, you determine a compass. You deserve it. You're not determined, but you create a system by which that you can prosper and then take along those with you. Because all women wants at the end of the day is just the security to know that her man knows that he's confident in himself and that he's going to make it happen. That's all she wants. That's really all she wants at the end of the day. She doesn't care about the clothes, the cars, the shoes, the fucking Gucci belt, the rap albums. She don't care about that. All she cares about is that her man is confident in himself to make his vision a reality. And once you begin to make your vision a reality, and once you begin to understand that, like, hey, look, this is what I'm about, this is what I'm doing, she's cool to follow. But most of you guys don't have a vision for a life for your plan. You're looking at the woman to guide you. And then she's looking at you like, are you fucking stupid? Why are you looking at me to guide you? And you know what she's going to do? She's going to look for another man to guide her. So all you're going to do is her follow another man, and then you follow after that man behind her. And then you look like a fucking idiot. And that's what most of you niggas look like. You guys look like chumps and fucking idiots. And you know why you look like a chump and idiot? Because you ain't got no manhood. You ain't got no balls, nigga. Get the fucking balls. Get your stones, nigga, about you. Understand, your life is determined by the choices that you choose to make, for better or for worse. And at the end of the day, as long as it's your choice and you're okay to live with the consequences, whatever the fuck happens, that's what life is about. But don't make any excuses. Don't try to hide. Don't try to bullshit. Don't try to fucking like hide and dodge and shit. Nigga, take accountability. Being a husband is about accountability. Being a father is about accountability. Being a leader is about accountability. Leading a true man is about you making sure that you think out, you plan out, and you execute to the best of your ability. Consequences be damned what you're trying to get to. And as long as you do that, bro, hey, women will rock with you. You'd be surprised. Like, women, like, you guys have all these crazy ideas that, oh my God, I need to be 6-figure, 6-pack, and all the other. It's cap. It's all bullshit. All a woman wants is just a man who's confident in himself, that is cool with leading and knows what he wants to do. That's all you need to have. But a lot of you niggas, you guys are scared of being successful. You guys are scared of being leaders. And because you're scared of being a leader, you're never going to get anywhere in life. So guess what, man? Today, if you want to figure out how to be a better man, how to really find yourself and determine your outcomes and goals and get to a fucking place where like you're comfortable in your well, not comfortable, where you're striving and thriving in life, book a consultation, apexsapient.com. Fuck with the kid. I'll get you on the right track. Because, nigga, I ain't about that bullshit, nigga. I'm about that work, nigga. Check out apexsapient.com.